Yeah, hello friends. Basically, in this video, we are going to talk about convocation certificate that is called final degree certificate for the management. Those who are doing the MBA from Osmania University. Basically, all the colleges those are affiliated with the Osmania University. So it will be quite easy if you are applying through the online process. If without going to the university, it will save your time as well as easy also, and you will get your certificate if you are applying the certificate with this by following all the parameters they have mentioned it. Whatever the certificate is required to apply for that, and what will be the file sizes for each, and the files and the photographs and everything. If you can follow those things easily, you will get it. Or else most of time you need to go to the university, and then you have to request with them. They will ask you to come over twice thrice, and you will be fed up. Most of the students, those who are not aware, they will be asking with someone agent, and some either some teachers to do it, and they will be again going to ask some money. So I'm just sharing my personal experience. When I was, talking with one of the teacher, he was saying to me that since you are from other state, hopefully you are not going to get your certificate. You must have to go to Osmania University twice or thrice, and you must request with them. So they only can provide you the certificate. So I thought to go through the online, and nothing wrong to let us apply with the all the documents which is required for that, and by following them. And after doing that one, hardly in 25 days they have given, because I have selected their because they have given 2 3 modes, like speed mode and the normal mode, fast track mode. So I have selected a speed mode. Sorry, I have selected the normal mode. So for that, the duration was the 25 days, and plus a speed post or postal, we can say. So within that stipulated time only, I got my certificate. Going ahead, I can just want to share how you want to do. You want to apply for that certificate. What you have to do? First, you have to go to the Osmania University website. That is osmania.ac.in. Either you can Google it, or if you know the website address directly, you can go to. After visiting to the website, you need to go to the student support, the tab. You can see here a student support tab. Then you need to go to the apply online certificate. You can registration process. So, and you write the name which is mentioned in your certificate. Don't write any half name. Don't write any incomplete name. Write the complete name which is in your degree certificate. Then you click on the registration. Then they will be see while selecting, completing the registration. Keep in mind, choose the mobile number which is active, and the email ID that is also active. See, once you log in it, you can see here there will be few tabs, few informations will be there. This will be your personal informations. This will be if you are applying for any certificate, then it will show the number of certificate, how many you have applied. Then if you have submitted any request, it will display here your payment history once you will complete the payment. And if your application is rejected for any reason, it will display here. If you want to change the password, log out and everything, you can see here. Now I'm going for apply the certificates. So we need to apply for convocation certificate for master degree, for MBA. So click here, convocation certificate. You can see, before applying, make sure that you are having all the certificates. Either you can collect it from college, and few will be already with you. Then you click on I agree, and then continue. Then you need to select your hall ticket number. is you now we need to upload the all the relevant documents. So just click on okay. Make sure everything will be updated successfully. Then continue next. So now you can see there are three modes. One is normal mode, urgent mode, and the fast track mode. It's depend upon the duration. Based on your urgency, you can select. You will be getting one email from Osmania University. So you will get one email. We have received your application and moving forward to process your request. Technical support team, Hyderabad. Okay. So after that, once your convocation will issue, they will give you some tracking detail either through courier or through Indian Speed Post, whichever is convenient for them based on the location. So you will be getting one separate email for that again. Your degree convocation certificate is delivered to your postal address. You can track the status from the login. In case your form is rejected, you will be having one notification here. If this is 0, means it was not rejected. First time I applied and it was successful. Only thing is that you need to follow the whole process well, and whatever the file size they have mentioned, we need to select the same file size. So there will be no issue, and you will be get your certificate within a selected time. So this is the overall process to get the certificate from Osmania University. Hope you guys like this. So just share with your other colleagues and friends, whichever is they are seeking to get the certificate from Osmania University. That will be helpful for them.